Hey folks, it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitarists start, and we are on the final part of our 4-part first lessons series, and we're at our practice time. So today I'm going to do a live practice session with you. I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes, and we're going to do a 5-minute practice. If you turn to the back of your Learn the Loog Level 1 book, you'll see several pages devoted to a 5-minute practice. I'm on the page that has half notes and quarter notes and eighth notes. So I'm going to work on both of these pages today for 5 minutes. You're going to see the timer in the corner of the screen, and we're going to play in real time, practicing our strumming and counting, saying notes out loud, strumming, and talking about how to count those notes as well. Cool. Let's just get into it. This is going to be a fast, easy lesson today. Here we go. All right, here's my timer set for 5 minutes, and we're going to start now. Here we go. All right, this looks like a page. We have quarter notes and half notes. Okay, I'm going to do quarter notes. Ta, 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 ta. All right. Ta, 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 ta. And that counts 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it looks like we're going to move over to half notes. Half notes, you remember, are ta, ta. Notice that I'm keeping the beat, but I'm also missing the strum. Ta, ta. That's how I stay in rhythm. So it looks like number 1 here is me doing quarter notes and then half notes. Okay, that's easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta. So I change up the counting and the saying. Ta, 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 ta. That would count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I think I got that. Number 2 says, we're doing the reverse. So we're going to do half notes, then quarter notes. Ta, 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 ta. How are you doing at home? Let's work on this together. Line 2, half notes and quarter notes. Ready? Go. Ta, 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 ta. Notice I'm trying to put them together without missing a beat. So I'm feeling 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, all right. Here we go. We're almost halfway through our 5-minute practice. Better pick up the pace. Here we go. Line 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It would say ta, 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 ta. Slow, steady, even. We're creating tempo, and we're combining different notes to create rhythms. All right, line 4, we're just doing the same thing again in a different order. I'm going to go a little faster. I'm feeling confident, so I'm going to go faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Ta, 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 ta. Great. I'm going to look over at the other page. It looks more challenging. Let's see here. We have quarter notes and eighth notes. And most specifically, what kind of eighth notes are those? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Do you remember the name? Yeah, that's right. Straight eighth notes. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, looks like we're playing ta, 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 ta. Then we're going to play T, 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 T. That's fun. I wonder what the point of this page is. It's to put them together and not stop playing, but to combine the two rhythms together. Let's go. Ta, 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 ti, 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 ti. That feels a little fast. I'm going to slow down. I'm going to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I notice my hands are all up strums. Oh, look, it's the reverse. That's cool. T, 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 ta, 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 ta. Let's do that one again. T, 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 ta, 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 ta. Wow, we have seconds to go. Let's see if I can do the last two lines faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Nice. And the last one, we're out of time. All right, we did it. Let's do last one just for fun. Line 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. T, 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 ta, 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 ta. Okay, so you see, that took 5 minutes to do 2 pages. I went nice and slow, and I did both saying and counting of the notation. Notice that the goal is to put them together without missing a beat, combining 2 notes and playing them without missing a beat. There you go. There's our 5-minute practice day. If you enjoyed what we just did, please pick up a copy of Learn the Loog Level 1. There's a link for it in the description. You can get it through Amazon. I wrote this book just for you, beginning Loog players, people who want to start but don't know how or where to start. And this is a great way to combine everything we just learned and practice. 5 minutes, it's all you need. Do that several times in a week and you'll get really good at rhythm and counting and reading notes. All right. We'll see you next time with an exciting song or something else. Maybe more lessons. I'll see you soon.